Google has a very large collection of fonts for you to try out. You can one by one download them all, but that's a little time consuming. So I've left a link in the description. You're going to end up in this page, and then scroll down to download all Google fonts. I'll also leave this download link to go directly to it, and then you click on it and it's going to download the whole collection of fonts. That's 1284 families. Alright, and while that's downloading, it can be a little hard to sort through the fonts if you're on Premiere or Photoshop. So I recommend using this page, bookmarking this page, and then using it as a guide to look through, put whatever logo or whatever you're trying to design into the field here, and then you can search different fonts, or you can also browse through them, see which one looks the best. Bebas is a classic one. See which one you like the best. This is a nice way to scroll through it instead of manually selecting and going through different fonts in Premiere or Photoshop. You can adjust the size. You can change it from card to a list. And this one I like a lot. You can look through the trending. You can look through the most popular, newest. I think this is alphabetical order, yes, and there it is. You can change the thickness. There's a lot to sort through here. You can even look at different languages, and you can look at different categories of fonts. Let's say you want handwriting. So this is a very powerful tool to look through them all. And alright, so our fonts are downloaded. Once it's downloaded, open it through 7-Zip or WinRAR, and just drag it over. From the main directory of the folder, type in *.ttf. Press enter, and here we go. All of the fonts are conveniently laid out for us. All you have to do is select all of them. You can press Ctrl A, then right click and click install. You can also install for all users if you want, but I'll just click install and it'll install them all for me. I've already installed them, but it'll go through all of them and install it. So I won't bother replacing them all. So as you can see, a lot of time saved, and we have a large collection of fonts. Side note here, to load up all the fonts in Premiere, when you're going through them, it might lag a little bit. That's normal, so just be patient. It's got a lot of fonts it's got to go through. Alright, let's just stop this. I've already installed them all. Then there's also an OTF format. So from here we have 58 items. Just Control A, select all, repeat the process, install or install for all users, up to you. And there we go. We have thousands of fonts in under a few minutes, depending on your download time. There we go. Enjoy and create something awesome with all these fonts. Thank you and have a good day.